certified divorce financial analyst is a financial professional who specializes in all of the financial stuff related to divorce. So the name is pretty straightforward. But if you think about all of the financial decisions that are made during divorce and all of the analysis that has to be done to figure out what do we have, how are we going to split it, what's that going to look like going forward, that type of financial analysis and planning is not something that just any old financial advisor does. Like, I would say a huge majority of the financial advisors that I know wouldn't touch mid-divorce stuff with a 10-foot pole because it's so specialized, it's so complex, and you really need someone who has expertise in exactly those types of things, because it's not like, oh, this is just kind of stuff you can figure out. It's like, no, you need someone that has expertise and experience with this. And so the CDFA is this designation, Certified Divorce Financial Analyst. I don't know how long it's been around. It's been around a little bit longer than what you said, but it's definitely becoming more, there's more of an awareness of it. I think years ago, there was zero awareness of it. Like, people did not realize that such a person exists out there that can help them with the financial aspects of their divorce.
Mhm.
I've met so many people who are like, oh my gosh, I didn't even know that you exist. Like,
Yeah.
I thought this is something you just call your attorney or you try to figure it out on your own. And I'm like, no, this is like, it's very special niche little area of expertise that's really, really valuable in divorce. Because if you're working with an attorney, that's great. They're giving you legal advice and they're advocating for you from a legal standpoint, but you can't expect them to be doing financial planning for you. You can't expect them to be an expert in the financial stuff. They're probably pretty knowledgeable about finance in general, but you can't expect them to have the same amount of financial expertise as someone who just does that part. And so I think a CDFA is an incredibly valuable member of your team, whether you have an attorney or whether you're doing mediation or you're doing it yourself. There's still some gaps in your financial knowledge that a CDFA can come in and help fill.